Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, this is a broken down Mosin Nagant with a funnel in the front. I'm going to basically show you how to kind of life hack way of cleaning out a Mosin Nagant after shooting some black powder or general corrosive ammo through it. I reload with black powder, and that's mainly because I find that lead actually shoots out, better in terms of both grouping and accuracy out of this rifle, whereas more modern copper jacketed bullets tend to not hit where you are aiming. Here we go. So I like to put a bucket. I'm not sure how well you can see this. So there's a bucket down here, and then I put the action and the receiver into the bucket with the barrel facing up, and then I usually start like this. So, all right, and then I start running the hot water in my faucet. You don't want to go too hot, just because this is a plastic funnel at the end of the day. Obviously, you don't want to throw boiling water down this because it is a plastic funnel. The natural follow-up question is, what if I don't have a funnel? They're really affordable at Harbor Freight, so why don't you have a funnel? Kind of warm to the touch now. I'm going to shut it off and start it up again. And that's why we have a bucket down there, obviously. I want to make sure that none of the runoff is going on the floor, right? Yep. And that's as easy as it is to clean the barrel. The reason why you want to use hot water is the same reason that you use hot water when you're cleaning a muzzle loader. From the black powder is just going to dissolve a lot easier. And yeah. Check the barrel. I'm already seeing a night and day difference, but I'll get back to you.